for deep, durable markings on carbon steel components. Designed with precision and ease of use in mind, our machines offer customizable settings to meet your specific marking requirements. Watch as the Peen DE01 effortlessly imprints deep dot matrix marks into carbon steel, ensuring permanence and clarity. Even after rigorous treatments like galvanizing and painting, our markings remain visible and intact. HeatSign's technology guarantees that your markings withstand harsh environments and processes, maintaining traceability and brand integrity. Enhance your product's durability and traceability with HeatSign's marking solutions. Contact us today to learn more.